today we're making Cuban bread. Have I ever made Cuban bread? No. I do know that you'll need some animal lard. First things first, you're gonna get some instant yeast and put it with some warm, not hot, warm water. And then I have my oven light on and she's just chilling right now. Zero her and add 500 grams or 3.5 cups. I prefer the grams. Next is going to be your sugar and salt. You're gonna do 12 grams of sea salt or 2 tablespoons of that. And then you're going to do 13 grams of sugar or 1 tablespoon of that. All right, so now put that in there, attach your dough hook as such, lock her into place, and to get that all mixed together. In order to know that you didn't murder your yeast with hot water, it will look foamy at the top as such. Like this. Beautiful. I have weighed out my lard. We have about 28 grams, supposed to be 30, but good enough. This is just bacon fat that you save after cooking bacon. We're gonna up her to medium low and slowly add in our yeast water. Slowly, fastly, just we're adding it. Now we're going to add in the lard with one hand, skillfully. And we are going to let this mix until it is well combined and a dough has formed. Now that a dough has formed, we are continue mixing for another 3 to 5 minutes until it looks smooth. While it's mixing in there, I'm going to grease this bowl. He's a ball. Smothering him with elastic wrap. And now he rests for like 45 minutes to an hour until he doubles in size. Oh, okay. She's massive. I don't know what happened to the sound, but basically you're just gonna punch it and then you're gonna wanna wet a dish towel and have that on standby because you're going to take the dough out onto a floured countertop. You're going to chop her in half and then you're going to place a dish towel on top of her and let her rest for another 10 minutes. All right, so next you're gonna take your little blob and you're gonna roll it out to be 1/2 inch thick, rectangle shaped. Once you've done that, you're gonna roll it on itself, starting with the hot dog end. And then you're gonna wanna pinch those seams closed. It's gonna help keep the gas inside. Then you're gonna take a little bit of pressure and roll it a little bit outwards to make it a little bit longer and tight. And then you're gonna take it, throw it onto a parchment lined baking sheet, and you're supposed to cover it with another one. I don't have another one that fits that size, so I just threw said wet towel on. Here we're getting saucy. You're gonna start a pan of boiling water about 10-ish inches and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. All right, so you're gonna squirt your bread with some water and then you're gonna take a risoblide to it and you're going to make some nice lines on the dough. Keep your water boiling, keep your oven hot, because next you're gonna throw the bread into the oven with the hot pan of water. So first throw the hot pan of boiling water in there, then throw your bread in there, spray the oven additionally to add some extra steam, and then set the timer to about 8 to 10 minutes because it's going to steam first. At this point in time, you will turn your timer to another 20 minutes, reset your oven temperature for about 375, and you will remember to put on an oven mitt to take the boiling hot pan water out of the oven. And look at that. We've successfully made Cuban bread. It's beautiful. It smells great. She's long. She's thick. She's beautifully tanned. She's perfection.